Don't tell. Okay, can I heal myself? No. Ah. Ah. This is disturbing. Wow.
Thank you, my friend. Your sacrifice won't be forgotten. You will be celebrated forever.
Yeah, that's gonna do me a lot of good. Stupid Alexander, his stupid penis. Okay. Now let's use Agrippa's head. And see what comes of that. Hey, speech! Speech! Speech again.
I was wondering if you were going to show up.
Yes, I was wondering as
I
well.
Agrippa convinced you to run some errands. Tell me, is everything nice and clear now? Am I the villain?
You always were, Alexander.
Good and evil. Such comforting concepts, but hardly applicable. Are you so blind that you see no good in me or evil in Agrippa?
Nyam, 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 nyam. Don't make me do the robot statue again. Like, I am the robot statue. Come on! You really need to upgrade your processor. Your portal's like, ugh. So slow. But I mean, we still didn't find out what the hell the orb was. I mean, okay, it's an ancient whatever thingy that releases evil shadows, but what really is it? Who left it? Why was it left there? Just to release shadows, or was it a trapping mechanism? I have no clue. Oh god, one moment, phone. The worst possible moment, huh? There we go. He's floating! Can I fly too? Ah. Yeah, come on, go faster. Faster! Faster! Come on. Do you have like a hamster in a wheel powering this thing? Come on!
Do you see it?
There we go.
A whole other world.
A whole new world!
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes,
I can finally
it's true. I am the
return.
princess in that latter movie. Come on, open some more so I can shove Agrippa's head, his very silent head, inside it.
But you... No! You fool! You have ruined us!
You fool! I guess that's only enough for one person. Oh boy, I'm gonna die too, aren't I? Agrippa, you bastard! Huh.
There he is. Do you see him, Vaya? He deserves so much more. Please, help him. I know you can.
Aw, thank you. Walking in space. Walking in space.
Don't worry, Daniel. It will be all right.
If you say so. Naked dead man. Whom his head I have. That I threw into a portal. Yeah, that's a sentence I always thought I'd say. Well, I'm guessing this is like the good ending. Probably be like some sequel or add-on where I'm in this weird world. I hope so. That sounds really cool, actually. Well, thank you for watching. I really enjoyed this game. I mean, you should really go out and support Fictional. Buy this game, because I mean, it's only like I got it for $10, but it's probably a bit more expensive now because it's released. I think it's really worth it. It's really fun, really atmospheric, probably one of the scariest games I've ever played. So go out and support the developers so they can keep making awesome games like this, and so we can hopefully get a new game. Apparently Amnesia had a really tight budget, so imagine the horrors they could unleash on us if they had a bigger budget. Support them now, go buy it, and thank you for watching. I hope this was fun for you, and there's a new Let's Play planned. Yes, it's in the works. Hopefully it'll be up to standards. So, see you next time guys, and take care.